Japanese fixed drone countermeasure equipment, JDY900 anti-drone defense system. The device uses an advanced level of passive detection, can be the model of the drone, location, operator location, conduct multidimensional information detection. The product has excellent performance and is widely used. Frontier defense, factory, concert guarantee, prisons and other facilities. Let's take a look at the measured drone countermeasures. Connect the power cable to the jack and tighten it. Then connect the network cable to the device port. Connect the other end to the computer. The test model is DJI-3. Drone takeoff. The management and control platform page is displayed. You can see that the drone has been detected by the device. Here we can see the specific model and location of the drone. We can also find out where he took off and where he flew. The device enables automatic strike. You can see the drone losing signal at this point. Forced to turn back,